Here's how you can upgrade your home for better entertaining this summer. Add a guest bedroom so visitors have a dedicated space to stow their belongings and sleep comfortably. Add a guest bathroom or powder room to reduce the amount of time people spend waiting to get ready. Finishing your basement will give you the space for a dedicated workout area, office space, or additional entertainment area. That way, your guests can hang out upstairs without having to sidestep the Peloton or your kids' gaming setup. You'll want your guests to be able to access your home easily. This starts by improving your walkway so that it's well marked and well lit. A brick, stone, or cement path with a few landscaping touches will go a long way for welcoming people. A functional foyer will ensure your guests don't enter into a pile of shoes and coats. Add storage, as well as decorative elements that set the tone of the home. Revamp your kitchen by making it open concept so your guests have more space to move around. A large island with seating is a great place for people to sit and chat or to serve a buffet. Additional storage will help you keep all your guests' favorite snacks in supply. If you have outdoor space, use it. Comfy, durable outdoor seating around a fire pit with side tables is a great option, but design a space that feels right for you. Incorporating personal art and decor will act as great conversation starters and can help your guests get to know you better. Opt for surfaces and fabrics that are stain-proof and easy to clean, since accidents are unavoidable. Varied lighting options will help you set the tone just right in your home, right when you need it and moody when you don't. Happy hosting! Follow IHR Seattle for more design inspiration.